Hi, it's A. Good morning. Today we will start with the wall structure. Edit wall structure. We have to select the wall which will change it. Select its structure from here. But first we have to know the difference between element properties and type properties. Element properties is a single wall or single element properties. If I select this wall, this part is properties for it. Now we have to select the wall and go to edit type to see its properties, type properties. First, the name for this wall, system family, basic wall, and its type generic 250. From here you can duplicate this wall or rename its title. Don't edit this one. You have to duplicate first and make other type and edit at it, because if you change this type, it will affect all the wall and the project with this type. So you have to duplicate and make same wall with other name. Second, we have type parameters. We have first structure for this wall. We can from structure add layers and remove layers and change its thickness. Then we have wrapping at insert or wrapping at ends. If we have more than layer, we can select from here how these layers will continue at start and ends, like this graph. Then we have width for this wall. We cannot edit from here, we can edit from structure. Then we have function for this wall, exterior or interior or foundation or anything else. Then we have graphics for this wall. If I want to change its color or its pattern, from here we can change it from structure. Then we have structure material. If I give material for this wall, it will be here. I can change it from structure. Then we have analytical properties for this wall, heat transfer and thermal resistance and thermal mass. Then we have identity data, which will show this data at any schedules I will make for this type of walls. If I put here cost for this wall, or fire rating or type mark or assembly code, or any description here, or URL if I have URL to the manufacturer of this wall. If I have image, I can put it here. But now we will go to structure of this wall to see how we can deal with this. First we have sample height. The family type is basic wall. The name of its type generic 250. Total thickness. Then we have resistance of this wall and thermal mass. The wall layers, we can control it from here. We have the wall at exterior side and interior side, and we have the core of the wall. The core have the main structure of the wall, and any other layer we have to put out of this core. If I want to put a layer at exterior side or interior side, to put finish or paint for the exterior side, I will go to insert here and will be structure, but I can change its function from here. I have structure or substrate or thermal air layer or finish 1 or finish 2 membrane layer. I will select finish, and I also can move this layer up or down as I want. I will put it at the exterior side. I can control its material. When I click here, I have this box. I can select it, put some type of paint like, and put thickness of this paint. We will make it 0.03 like this, and we can press OK. It will be like this. If I want to see this layers, I have to change the detail level from chorus to medium or fine. This detail level is for this view only. If I go to first floor, I can make it medium or fine. To know the exterior side of the wall, when I press it, I have this indication for exterior side. I can also flip it from here. Now the exterior side at this side. If I want to change it again from here, any wall like this. Now I have finished layer at exterior side. I can put also at the interior side a new one. In a new layer, it will be like this. We can make it at interior side and change its function to finish. Make its material to plastic. Thickness 0.02, and now we have thickness at exterior side finish layer and finish layer at interior side. Point 0.25, and now we have 0.03 at exterior side and 0.02 at interior side. And total thickness for this wall from here to here. If I want to change the line which I select for dimension, I can go to it and press tab and go to the other line and press tab. Okay, total thickness for this wall is 0.3. We can add also a hatch for this type or a material for this structure. We can go to edit structure. We have to select material here and make it brick. We have brick here. It will be like this. We can change its hatch from here. Brick. Brick have at its graphic we have surface pattern and cut pattern. Cut pattern, it will affect the plans. We can change this from here by pressing this and select brick work or any other pattern. We'll select this one and it will be like this. This hatch is dynamic. If I change the scale, it will be changes like this. I can also change its color. Can make it like this. Will be like this. If I want to undo this, I can go to edit structure, brick, and make it black like this. Now if I want to change all walls to be like this type, 300 millimeter and 2, select all walls which I want to change, and now we can make filter, check none, go to walls only like this and change it from here to the selected layer like this. it will be all like this. I can also select this wall and select all instance from this menu by right click and go to visible view, or I can select select the wall and by right click go to select all instance in entry project. It will select all the walls at any view with this type. I can also make a new wall by and select the type which I make 300 millimeter too, and make other walls like this by the new wall. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.